Hello students, today I'm going to tell you about the heart in circulatory system. I will tell you about heart completely. And now start with the heart. Heart is a muscular organ and it pumps the blood to all parts of the body, and it is made up of the cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles. So what is cardiac muscles? Cardiac means muscles of the heart. Muscles of the heart. So it is made up of the muscles of the heart is known as the cardiac muscles, and these muscles contract and relax without taking रेस्ट. सो दिस इज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन मीन्स सिकुड़ना एंड रिलैक्सेशन, वापस अपनी पोजीशन में आ जाना. दिस इज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड दिस इज अ रिलैक्सेशन. सो दीज मसल्स आर कॉन्टिन्यूसली विदाउट टेकिंग रेस्ट. every time these are contracting and relaxing. Okay, now we'll talk about the size of the heart. The length of the heart is 12 centimeter and breadth is 9 centimeter, and weight of the heart is 300 gram. Okay, 300 gram only I am saying. And the heart is having only 4 chambers. This 1 2 3 and 4 chambers heart is having. This one is a right atrium, and this one is a right ventricle, and this one is a left atrium, and this one is a left ventricle. So right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle, these all are the 4 chambers, and these chambers are known as a receiving chambers. Why these are known as a receiving chambers? Because these both the chambers are received the blood. This chamber is receiving the impure blood, right atrium, and left atrium receives impure blood, deoxygenated blood. That is why they are known as a receiving chambers, and the size of the chambers are small as compared to ventricles. Okay, now if we talk about the ventricles, these both the ventricles, right ventricles and left ventricles, are the distributing chambers. They are distributing the blood throughout the body. That is why they are known as the distributing chambers. And the length of the ventricles are more as compared to atriums. Okay, now this heart is located inside a very hard cell or a very hard membrane that is known as a pericardium. This one is a pericardium. So heart is enclosed in a sac-like structure that is known as a pericardium, and this is a pericardial fluid. Between the sac there is a fluid is filled inside it, and this fluid is known as a pericardial fluid. And what this pericardial fluid does? This pericardial fluid protects the heart from, किससे बचाता है? From jerk and shocks. अगर हमें कोई शॉक लगता है या जोर का जर्क लगता है, झटका लगता है, या हम गिर जाते हैं या किसी से टकरा जाते हैं, तो जो जर्क लगता है उससे हमारे हार्ट को ये पेरिकार्डियल फ्लूइड हमेशा बचा के रखता है. एंड दिस राइट पार्ट इज डिफ्रेंशिएटेड फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट पार्ट from one layer, and this layer is known as a septum. So septum is distributing the both the chambers, right chambers and left chambers, both the chambers, right atrium, right ventricle, and left atrium and left ventricles are distinguished by the layer known as a septum. Okay, now come on, this is a superior vena cava, and this one is a inferior vena cava. So superior vena cava and inferior vena cava is the largest vein. So what is the largest vein? Superior vena cava as well as inferior vena cava, and this is a largest artery known as a aorta. In previous video I had told you about the aorta. What is the largest artery? This one, aorta is the largest artery, and this is a pulmonary artery, and I had told you about this pulmonary artery, wherever you are finding this pulmonary word, this word is related with the lungs. So pulmonary artery is connected the heart to the lungs. That is why its name is pulmonary. Pulmonary means lungs. Okay, now between the right atrium and right ventricle there is a valve are present, and this valve is known as a tricuspid valve. And why this tricuspid valve is very important? Because it prevents the backflow of the blood, because blood goes like this, and this प्रिवेंट्स द ब्लैक फ्लो. मतलब अगर राइट एट्रियम से राइट वेंट्रिकल में अगर ब्लड आ गया है तो ये क्या करेंगे, ये वॉल्व बंद हो जाएंगे और वापस राइट वेंट्रिकल से राइट एट्रियम में ब्लड को जाने नहीं देंगे. सो इट प्रिवेंट्स द बैक फ्लो ऑफ द ब्लड. ओके, in a similar way there is a left atrium and left ventricle and bicuspid valve is present. Here is tricuspid valve and here is bicuspid valve between left atrium and left ventricle, and this bicuspid valve is also prevent the backflow of the heart, so of blood. So blood is coming like this, from the left atrium to left ventricle, but just because of the bicuspid valve do not allow the blood to go inside left atrium, so it prevents the backflow of the blood. Okay, now so this is all for heart, and I'll tell you more. I will tell you about the function of the heart in next video. Thank you.